कैसी हालत है मेरी बताऊं तुझे, क्या कहानी है मेरी। कैसी हालत है मेरी क्या बताऊं तुझे। सीएम Mahashyam inaugurates Chief Airport Capitals Cancun on air map. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray inaugurated the new Greenfield Chief Airport, putting the Britain's coastal Cancun region on the national air map. Here on yesterday, present on the Ocean very Union Civil Aviation Minister Jyoti Aditya Sindhya in New Delhi. MSME Minister Narayan Rane, Minister of State for Social Justice Ramdas Athwalia, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar and other dignitaries. The inauguration was preceded by the Made and Mumbai Chief Alliance Air commercial flight, making a smooth landing amid loud chairs and music, bringing a host of VIP for the event. More than 2 years ago, the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and former Civil Aviation Minister Suresh Prabhu had inaugurated the new terminal, welding and other facilities at the Greenfield Airport as flights under the UDNA scheme very expected to be launched from there. After overcoming a series of delays, the chief airport first in the Konkan was finally ready at a cost of around 520 crore under DBFOT and launched operation from Saturday. Aviation carriers said that most sets are booked till Diwali on various flights connecting Sindhurya with Mumbai, Pune, Aurangabad Nasik, Nagpur, and Guru Dayal other cities with a runway length breadth of 2,500 meters by 45 meters, which can be extended by another 1,000 meters. The airport can manage up to 400 passengers or two flights per hour. Wow. With one estimated annual capacity over a million. Oh, 1 million passenger. The airport can handle aircraft like A320 and B737 and give a one huge flip to tourism in Kanakan renowned for its magnificent castle, dazzling beach, big and small river crest, abundant greenery and natural beauty, ancient temples as and horse 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 a rich culture, heritage, unique lifestyle and modern historical landmarks built by the IRB. Sindhu Durg Airport Private Limited, a SPV. The Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation was the nodal agency to facilitate and supervise the inter project. The chief airport will also create more operative niche for the regional economic. Yes, the state government has announced plans to develop the coastal region as a major tourist and business come leisure travel hub, hoping to convert Konkan to California, Intellia, Chadidu, Shudu, to operate inter-state flights. Letters the chief airport would offer interstate connectivity to Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, etc. with a target for over 2 dozen daily service in 5 years according to सची न दिया। वाह वाह, हम तो चले परदेस, हम परदेसी हो गए। और हम तो चले परदेस हम परदेसी हाँ